Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add multiple accounts on Threads, and here's how it is done. First, open the Threads app on your device. To access your profile, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, look for the two horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen and tap them to open additional options. If you want to switch to a different account, scroll down the menu and select the Logout option. To switch between link accounts, if you have connected multiple Instagram accounts, you will see a list of them. Tap Switch Accounts, then choose the account you want to switch to. If the account you want isn't listed, simply log into the Instagram account and tap Login with Instagram option. The app will automatically fill in your username and password, linking your new Instagram account to a Threads profile. Once you have logged into multiple accounts, you can easily toggle between them. This feature makes it simple to manage different accounts for personal, business, or other uses. And that is everything you need to know about how to add multiple accounts on Threads. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.